The parents of your Australian friend Chris have invited you to a surprise birthday party for him, her. Write a letter to Chris's parents. In your letter, say why you think Chris will enjoy the surprise party. Explain why you won't be able to attend the party. Give details of a plan to see Chris at a different time.
Dear Mr. and Mrs. Collins, I am so pleased that you are planning a surprise birthday party for your son Chris. I am sure that Chris will be absolutely delighted by the surprise. I wish I could be there with Chris to celebrate and share in the joy of the occasion, but unfortunately I'm unable to attend due to my work commitments. I know that Chris will have a wonderful time, surrounded by family and friends. It's such a brilliant way to celebrate such a special day. To make sure that I can make this birthday special for Chris too, I would like to suggest an alternative plan. How about I take Chris out to dinner on a night of my choice, but outside of the party period? It would be nice to spend some quality time alone with Chris, and I can treat him to a lovely evening out. Thank you for the invite. Please pass on my best wishes to Chris, and I really hope that the party is everything you wish it to be and more. All the best.